Okay, we're going to do another walkthrough. This is a foreclosure property. It's actually going on the market today. I did a previous video, which I'll link if you haven't watched it. It's my initial walkthrough when I first got it, full of junk, full of stuff. I told you that they were probably going to do a personal property eviction, and that's what they ended up doing. So they got possession, they had it trashed out, just put it on the market. We're about to put it on the market, but let's do a walkthrough and kind of see how it looks now that all the junk's been removed. And let me point out all the issues that I can see, just so if you're watching this, if you're an investor or whatever, you can just kind of get an idea of what this particular house needs and what it will need to bring it up to a full market value. So let's walk around and check it out. Okay, so here's the neighborhood. One of the nice things is this house is located at the end of a cul-de-sac, so you can see it's at the end of the street. So the main house right here, the brick house, is a little over 1,300 something square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You can see that it needs a good amount of work. The roof is trashed, so it's going to have a new roof. The AC system does look newer. The inside, looks really good. So there's a chance this AC will only have to be serviced, I'm sure, to be operational, which is a huge savings. But you can see the house has a ton of wood rot on this exterior little addition back here. It's all just torn up, and you got massive wood rot here on these steps and door. So this is going to have to be replaced, a lot of this redone. You've got this crappy little building here. It is on a concrete slab, but if somebody wanted to, you could probably do something with it, but I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. You can see the neighboring properties behind us. So this addition part here, which actually is not included in the original square footage, it's all aluminum siding. It's got pretty much a flat roof, but you can see this roof is toast. Plus there's a big hole on the inside. So you've got this addition room here. Has a little closet. Actually, it's a decent little walk-in little room there. You're going to notice a lot of sheetrock repairs are going to be needed throughout the house. And you can see this floor right here. This back room is pretty much trashed. Also, with all this roof issue and the leaking and stuff, you're going to see mold. You can see it a lot better now with all this junk's gone, but there's a pretty bad spot here, one here. So here's your kitchen. It's basically a gut job. It's pretty much trashed. You got a lot more ceiling sheetrock issues here. So you got to budget a brand new kitchen for sure. New flooring. This is very cheap, crappy flooring. Got a couple holes in the sheetrock. It's got an alarm system. Now, some of these windows look fairly new, so a lot of these are going to be salvageable and won't have to be, replaced or whatever. So you've got kind of like a formal dining room area. You've got your living room area. You got the back room, the kitchen. you've got this bedroom here kind of in the middle. It's got carpet, it's trash, it's gonna have to come out. The third bedroom, same way, it needs paint. Paint and flooring. Sorry, the power's not on, so I can't really turn. Here's a bathroom, it's a full bathroom. I mean, it's not bad. Not much to do to it except flooring and probably a new cabinet. The hot water tank is electric, it doesn't look old at all. And this is the inside handler for the AC. I mean, it looks pretty good. So that might actually end up, not having to be replaced. Then you've got your master up here on the front of the house. And this is a doozy. So the master's got its own fireplace. This carpet is nasty, trash. It's gonna have to come out. You can see how nasty the walls are. It's gonna have to be painted. And you've got a lot of mold and sheetrock work on the ceiling. This is probably gonna have to be all torn out and redone. That's what I would do at least. But these rooms have the newer windows. So, I mean, sheetrock, flooring and all that. And here's your master bath. It's basically gonna have to be gutted. The tile floor is all torn up, missing some pieces. You got sheetrock damage. You got popcorn falling off the ceiling. So your bathroom here is going to be pretty much a gut job and redo. Let me see if I can show. You can see there is a active hole right there in the ceiling that's not even covered up. Now, I'm not sure if the bank is going to tarp this roof. They should, but I'm not positive if that's going to happen or not. So the condition is not going to get any better. They might, but I'm not positive. So that's basically it. This one, like I said, needs a good amount of work, but the roof's got to be done. And I imagine there's going to be a lot of decking that's ruined too. It's got to be replaced. So. But the way this market is, I mean, number one, this house would rent in New York second. And the anticipated after-market value somewhere in the bottom 100s, I mean, there's not a whole lot of inventory out there right now. So, I mean, good chance this house all fixed up and made cute. Would probably sell pretty quickly. But it is a project. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, just let me know. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.